Alright fellas, so today I finally tried drawing Rapi Red Hood from Nikke, the goddess of victory. Trust me, this one was like literally in my list for a long time. As usual, starting with the skin tone.
Hey, and she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cartier's, and the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money she earn it. Give me top every night lip service. Now I gotta block these hoes, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Scarlet. Ooh.
Add some shine to the mommy's boobs. I think my throat is
Got me in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad.
Right, she's like in a pool or something, and that's why I have to give that warm and reddish look because of the skin is wet, brothers.
Got me in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that. Ooh, put it on camera, she a free.
Alright, everything's done and it's time to blend every shadows and this add skin color. Let's go, man. I'm gonna slap her cheek so hard.
Hit me in my DMs. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can fly you out to Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Scarlet. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom.
Alright, moving to on her hairs, I'll add base layer of the red marker and like add details with color pencil and dark marker if it's needed.
Look like Scarlet. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Scarlet. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom off that Molly, yeah.
Well, I think I should work on my camera placement because I'm freaking showing her. Let's color her bikini. I mean the cloth part though. You were waiting for, man. I know you always wait for the wet clothes because you like wetty things.
In a row can't touch my mom 난 무대 위에 성켜 chains on my mom That's all I own 끝난 줄 알아서 나는 재미없는 걸 제일 못해요 왜 You cannot be fucked with this 내 앞에서만 만들어 터미는 나 그냥 러빙처럼 I'm running 너 내가 뜨면 너네 처음부터 ominous Guess I'm a liar 바리바리 시대에서 on fire 말 못하는데 들 잘못 봐요 없잖아 busy so fucking tired Oh 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 I'm making some new shit 알아봐 부시 이게 진짜 never knew me 나 진짜 되겠어 wanna be all over bro 내가 만들어 드리는 Wow how I do for around on my city I'm are no gun but chitty bang 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 like a big bang feel like I'm jitty yeah yeah I cannot wait 올라갈 거야 난 저위에 할 거면 제대로 해 시키는 still.
Now the last part of this video and the drawing, the background, man, the background.
Oh yeah I'm on the stride feel like nobody I need someone in the beef in the marbling I don't go back so I get so Bugatti You know what I do you're the 여기서 party Oh yeah 실이 아닌데 나는 한국에서 맨샷 Oh yeah 노래 하나씩 해가 묻혔어 지금 몇 샷 재미없어 전부 다 거저 이게 뭐 샷
Our mommy Rapi is done. Have some cinematic shots.
Ghostly figures they can get so big and show you want to until you can turn back. You don't.
Well, our mommy Rapi is done, and you may thought, why the hell this camera angle is like this? Where the hell is cameraman? Cameraman is a little busy, so that's why he won't came today. So that's why you won't have a chance to have like zoom in effects on her boobs and her. Okay, I'll just simply show you the artwork. That's it. Like this one came out pretty well. Like I love the blue scenario here, and mommy Rapi is done, and I'll see you in the next video.
Oh!